These are so useless. But thank God we got the screw attack. Love the screw attack. Gotta love it. Who doesn't? I mean, you can destroy enemies just by running into, well, not all enemies maybe, but most enemies by just running into them. Yeah. It's that cool. Well, it's not the best weapon. I mean, it's not my weapon of choice, obviously. But they want you to use it against these guys here. Make sure you have some super missiles ready. Because you gotta open that door there. And I can fall through. Yeah. Yeah, I thought so. I gotta find a super missile. These guys are only weak to the screw attack. So now the pink ones were not the strongest, sadly. Sadly, I really gotta stop doing that. It's based off. I think it was like Channel 9. This is Australian channels, by the way. Had. Here you just gotta do what I do. Like when it would say when the helicopter would go over to show the traffic in the area, it would go traffic, and I'm going sadly. He didn't die. Oh, okay, he's dead. No, he's not. Okay, I guess he's one of those enemies. Jeez. Okay, get him. Oh, I thought I would get hit there. Okay, use a spring ball here. I guess that was like a recharge station close by. Or at least somewhere up where I can farm. I'm out of super missiles, sadly. Set. Nope. And do that. Okay, I'm not needing to use my map here. Why would I? I'm finding everything. I'm not gonna risk it. I'm gonna use a PAL. More power bombs. Oh, good. I nearly dropped a third. Seriously? Well, it is a skinny hallway, so thank the Lord for that. Nuh-uh! Not on my watch. Wow, we're back here. Great. Keep going here. God, I got even deeper than in the lava than last time. Wow, that guy was dumb. Yeah, the screw attack doesn't destroy everything, but it destroys most things. I think this game does have the rule of giving you what you have less of. Like, it's given me a lot of health now, so thank the heavens for that. Thank the stars, the heavens, and all above. Yeah, we went up that time. This time we're gonna go left. Sorry, right. Wow, I'm smart. But what you gotta do here is just keep screw attacking to get up to the... No, Samus! No, Samus! You flippin'... God damn it! Great! God flippin' damn it! Lost so much... Great! I've lost so much progress now! Great! I'll meet you guys back with where I was. Okay, so I'm back in that room that we were in.
But guess what? If I had taken the door to the right in the room that we got the screw attack, I would have had an energy recharge.
My god, I'm a flippin' idiot. God, I hate the space jump. He just doesn't respond. Yeah, it's a cool item. I would like it more if it had better control. And I can hardly control it. Don't say it's a screw attack, because a screw attack just makes you invincible while doing it. Well, not exactly invincible, but you get where I'm going with. But anyway... Okay, good. I think that's destructible. No, alright. Now I gotta see these guys except the red varieties. The red variety, I should say. Nope. Okay. Go into every room possible. I learned that. Oh, thank God. I could use a save. Thank you very much. I will take that, kindly. Yeah, I feel so happy about filming now because I finally finished Super Mario Galaxy. It didn't take me that long, but it wasn't quick. It's not one of my quick LPs where I can just do it and go, hey, I finished. It's one of these. Oh no, it's this one. No, I remember. No? Okay, seriously, which one is it? None of them are opening. Okay. Screw that button. Now, Ridley's starts to get hard from here on out. Really hard, so. Well, not exactly, not like Super Castlevania brutally difficult. But it's not easy either. I swear that's destructible. Yes, and so is this. Another Powerbomb expansion. I wonder how many we have now. We don't have them all, I know that. But I just wonder how many we have now. And let's use the Powerbomb. Well, we got the Powerbomb. And get nothing in return. Hooray. Let's go down here. This is a weird elevator thing. Fall. Yeah, okay. I'm tempted to go down there. Oh, and by the way, Ridley can hurt you a lot, and you're going to need... Oh my god. He's a flippin' ninja. He throws knives. When he turns yellow, it means he's vulnerable. And you're going to get hurt from doing this, so be careful. You can do it twice with all the upgrades except the space beam. Or the beam upgrades, I should say. I didn't shoot that. Huh. Yes, you can farm here, and I would advise farming here. You'll make your life, your battle with Ridley a lot easier. I'm just gonna get rid of these damn birds first. So yeah, go ahead and farm here. It's really good to farm here. Got that, got 64. 64 is always a special number. Don't know, it's always been nice. It's always been a nice number. Son? I'm gonna do that to you. Oh man, are you? Suck it. I just want to get the love super missiles, so. Yeah, let's rack up these super missiles and not much health. I don't want health. I said I don't want health. Give me something. At least give me something. Forget it. I guess we're going with this. Shoot. Whatever. We can make it. We'll be right. No, I guess you could sort of farm here, but it wouldn't be easy. Keep going, boss store. Come on, open your eye. That must be painful though for that eye. And the chainsaw's going in there, you know. But anyway, power bomb here, and you will get some free hits on it. Now he's kind of hard. Not so hard, but not easy either. Though compared to some Ridley fights, he's pretty easy. I reckon Prime is harder. And Proto sticks everywhere. It gets really annoying actually. I'm just going to slide down. Come on. In fact, you know what? Forget it. Super missiles away. And this is the fourth boss. Whoop-de-doo. Have fun. And kill him as well. Kill him while you're at it. Have fun and kill him while you're at it. So yes, Ridley, take it. You are the reason we are here. The first time actually not the first time I played this, but it's like you would think that this is the final boss if you didn't if it was your first time playing, you would think this is the final boss, which it isn't. This isn't one of the hardest Ridley fights, but it's definitely one of the harder. Well, in my opinion, anyway. You just gotta practice with him. Oh, he's getting red now. He's gotten sunburnt. Either that or it's the lava. Or the missiles, or both. Actually, no, he couldn't get sunburnt because he's not out on the surface, and plus, there's no sun in Zebes at all, from what I've seen. Oh my god, just die, Ridley! Ridley, die! God. Okay, I'm probably going to die here, but then again, I always have water tanks, reserve tanks, sorry. Okay, that was not that well. How did I? Okay. Okay, now I'm gonna use charge strikes. Okay, kill that. And he's dead. Rhea. I suck at fighting Ridley in this game. Whatever. Get all that. And now it's time to rescue the Metroid baby. What the heck? It's gone. Dun dun dun. Rika's energy tank mine. But yeah. The missing baby Metroid. I had good times with it. I must say I did. And now he's forever gone. But thank God this lava's gone. But yeah, you are definitely going to need to use that energy tank there. I need to refill your health. Because you gotta go back through Ridley's lair here. And you gotta go back to that room that I said we saved time for. Right at the beginning of the game. I think episode 1 or 2. Either one of those. Who cares? We're going back. Backtracking. I think we actually might beat this. And I hope so, because I really want to beat this game. So that way I can upload a whole ton of Minecraft creations. And while I'm at it, upload Transformers War for Cybertron. Yeah. Excited. Please tell me it's like a shortcut out. No, it's not, is there? Well, there is. I'm sure there is. But we still have to go back through, which is annoying and tedious, but whatever. Let's just get through here. Let's go up. Whoop, up and away! I still have the impulse that one of these still leads somewhere. No. Still no difference. Come on. Seriously, nothing there? I would have thought there would be something there. No. So yeah, if ever at one point I said I could collect all the items in Super Metroid, god damn it, I lied to you. I cannot get all the items in this game. Or any Metroid game. I mean, it's too much work for me. Unless it's Zero Mission. Well, no, actually Zero Mission you have to go really out of your way to get all the items. You have to go to Chozodia, get your new suit. Then you need to go back to your old the old areas, and then go item hunting. Which I'm imagining is really tedious. I haven't attempted it. Or attempted. And we never actually went into this one. What is in here? Oh, okay. Oh. I have a feeling that there's something. No? I could have sworn there was. I was thinking of some other one. Well, I know there's 3 energy tanks that are missing. Probably all in offer, actually. Nope, that's not it. You can just go straight on bird. Straight on bird. Damn, I feel sorry for those guys. They just popped out into existence and then they just died. Well, this guy got to hit me at least once. Not once. Okay. Missile! I think we now have 200 missiles. That would mean that we need 15 more, no, 15. A couple more missile expansions. Then we need 6 more to complete the whole game. Okay. No. Go. Go, go. Nothing there. Are you sure? Let's go down here. If you saw this room before, and you couldn't get to it, and you were on the other side, well, now you can. I think I actually have got all the power bomb. No, I probably got like 45. Because the game will tell me like that. Well, I can always check when I get back to the ship. Oh, I can't wait for that. Can I seriously? No, does the game want me to go up there? No, where do you want me to go then? But game, where do you want me to go? Oh, does it want me to go up the other way? Oh yeah, I should have known that, game. Yeah, I should have known that, game. Then again, you have to know everything to be able to even get through this game. Yeah, you can just jump through those boulders. I cleared the bench of death. Yeah, I knew there was something back here. Oh, actually, no, not kill him. Yes. 2 more energy tanks and we could get all of them, but I'm probably not going to get them all. I don't really need to. With this many energy tanks, you're set. I mean, if you have at least 7, then you're actually okay, but... but, you know... Oh, God, it's dark. It's actually not nice for the eyes, but... whatever. 69 energy again. God damn it, game. I swear you do this on purpose. I actually, damn dog with its stupid bell-like collar. Well, it has a bunch of metals and they always clang together, so it makes a tinkering sound like. So, can I, is this seriously? Seriously no way out from up here. So I could swear there is. Better be. Might as well be pretty mad. Yeah, there is. Love this music though. Door, 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 door. I love this song though. Cannot deny its quality. You cannot deny its quality either. Come, join us. That was off. Come on, game. Thank you. I forgot winter's coming up soon. Well, too much time it will be winter. What the heck? What is this place? I can't remember this place. Oh yeah, I haven't explored it yet. Exactly. God, no music. Oh, there is music. Sorry, I just couldn't hear it. Oh, you can't. Oh, wow. Thank you, game. Actually, it was like this before. I was thinking, like, no music? Dude, even Metroid has music. Just if it's going to have no music, it's going to be like atmospheric, like. I just took time. Okay. Oh, it's only 5 o'clock and I started filming like 4 o'clock. Nah, longer than that. Wow, I just remembered that I started this recording session still in Meridia. And we've beat Meridia, the mini-boss and the boss. And we've beat the mini-boss and the boss of Ridley's Lab.